the concept of measuring a qubit can be a bit confusing. I like to summarize it the following way at an intuitive level. A qubit has, or it's sort of, you can imagine a qubit has three dimensions where you can have information, and it's not that they're entirely different types of independent pieces of information, but you can take a look at a qubit from three different sides. The same way you have a dice that has six sides. It's a convention to choose the upper looking, like the upper the upper side, the upper face when you roll a dice, as in that's the value of the dice. You can look at it from different angles, and then you will see different types of information. And it's not an exact analogy, but that's sort of a way to take a look at it. So what you can see here, and I'll put the links in the description to the videos and all the other sources that I've used to get to that point, is this is one of the best visualizations that I've found so far. And here you have one qubit, and here you have another qubit, and each of those squares is kind of one of the dimensions, and there's sort of a third one, I believe. So it's not about how to measure and what's the best way to measure. Just pick one measurement and know that you can move information around. I think that's the most important key takeaway out of all this.